Hello and welcome to another episode. Today we are learning how to subtract one fraction from the other one. So let's say we have 3 over 4 minus 2 over 8. How do you subtract this fraction from this one? That is what we are going to learn. Okay, so with example on the board, let's try and solve this. Just like the way we did for addition, we are going to apply the same rule, only that when you get to the place where we add the numerators, we will subtract them in this case. So the first step, first thing first, we are going to look for the LCM, and the LCM for these two fractions is 8 because 4 can go into 8. Okay, now how many times can 4 go into this 8? 4 goes into this 8 two times, so use that 2 to multiply the numerator and to give you 6. You bring your subtraction sign instead of addition. This time you're bringing subtraction sign. Then how many times can 8 go into 8? 8 will go into 8 one time, and use that one to multiply the 2. So you have 2 here. Now you come down. 6 minus 2 will give us 4. You bring your 8 at the down. Okay. Now you ask yourself, is there a number that can divide this and can divide this? Definitely. 4 can go into cancel itself 1 and cancel here 2. So you will have 1 over 2 as your final answer. Okay. So let's look at another example again. Example 2 is on the board. With example 2, we have 22 over 6 minus 5 over 3. Okay, we are subtracting 5 over 3 from 22 over 6. So what do we do? As I said, we'll find the LCM. Okay, the LCM for the two denominators is 6. Okay, 6 can go into 6 one time. Use that one to multiply the numerator. So 1 times 22 will give you 22. You bring your subtraction sign. 3 will go into 6 how many times? 2 times. So use that 2 to multiply the 5 at the top. So 2 times 5 will give us 10. You have your 10 here. Now what do? You subtract 10 from 22. Then you have 12 all over 6. Which number can go here and go here without any remainder? 6 can go here one time and 6 can go here 2 times. So you will be having 2 over 1, which is the same as 2 whole number. Okay, so this is how to go about subtracting one fraction from the other fraction. We have example 3 on the board. Okay, with the example we are having on the board, this is 11 over 5 minus 8 over 5. So we are subtracting this number from this. Over here, the two of them are having the same denominator. So since they are having the same denominator, what we do is that we pick one of the denominators as our LCM. So in this case, we are going to have 5 as our LCM. 5 will go here how many times? 1 time. So you use that one to multiply the numerator, which will still give you 11 minus. The 5 here will go here 1 time. You use that one to multiply the 8 and it will still give you 8. Now you subtract 8 from your 11. You'll be having 3, then bring the denominator 5. Is there any number that can go here and go here at the same time? If there's any number is a factor of the two, you can use that number to break them down. But if there's no number, you'll just leave your answer as this. Okay, so get ready for few examples that I'm going to give you on the board. You'll pause the video and solve them for me. Okay, all right, so we have 2 questions on the board for you. Okay, example 4 and 5. The example 4 is saying that 12 over 3 minus 15 over 2. So you are going to solve this one for me. Then you are going to solve the example 5, which is saying 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. So you pause the video, solve these 2 questions, and submit your answer in the comment section for marking. Alright, so you're welcome back. Let's solve the 2 questions together, okay? And as I said, the first thing we do is to find the LCM. Solving the question number 4, our LCM is going to be 6. Okay, because this is not a factor of this, so you multiply the 2, you get a 6. Now, 3 will go into 6 how many times? 2 times. So you use that 2 to multiply the numerator. So you should be having 24. You bring your subtraction sign. Okay, how many times would 2 go into 6. 2 will go into 6 3 times. Okay, so 3 times 15 will give you 45. When you have this, you subtract this from this. What is, you subtract 45 from 24, you realize that this number is bigger than this. So you should be having negative 21. Okay, all over 6. Is there a number that can break this one down and break this one down? If there's a number, let's break it down. I believe 3 can go here 2 times and 3 can go here 7 times. So you should be having negative 7 over 2 as your final answer. Okay, so if this is correct for you, kindly indicate it in the comment section that you have gotten this one correctly. Let's solve the other one, question number 5. Okay, now with the question number 5, we are looking for the LCM. 2 can go into 4, so there's no need for us to multiply. We are going to pick the bigger number. So the bigger number is our LCM, which is 4. How many times can 2 go into 4? 2 can go into 4 2 times. So use that 2 to multiply the numerator. So 2 times 1, we have 2. Subtract. We do a subtraction sign. 4 will go into 4 how many times? 1 time. So use that 1 to multiply the numerator. So 1 times 1 will still give you 1. Now you come here. 2 minus 1, you have 1 over 4 as your final answer. Thank you so much for being part of today's episode. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and share the link to your friends to also join us. I'll see you again in our next episode. Bye.